This is the Infinix Note 30 VIP. It is one of the looking selling device from Infinix right now. But before we got to that, Infinix has already launched many phones in Note 30 series. Last month, we witnessed the existing launch of the Note 30 series, and all the phone was released except the Note 30 VIP. It is the latest and the most premium member of the series. This phone has some incredible features that brings in the table. And you won't believe the price. Let me tell you more about it. First and foremost, the main highlight of this phone is that it's dropping 50 watts wireless charging, just like his siblings, the Infinix Note 30 Pro. This phone breaks boundaries by offering wireless charging capability at a budget-friendly price point. And the best part is it comes with wireless charger in the box. You don't have to buy it separate like some other brands. It also supports 68 watts wired charging, which can charge the phone from 0 to 80% in just 30 minutes. Please, if you are new to my channel, kindly turn on the notification bell and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. Still on the video. First of all, let's start with the display. Wow, check out how slim the bezel are on the display. It has a screen to body ratio of 93.4%. For the size of the display is 6.6 inch. It is a Full HD Plus AMOLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate and a touch sample rate of 360Hz. Those numbers means that the display on this smartphone is smooth and responsive. The colors that the display produces are stunning. It covers 100% DCI-P3 color gamut and it supports HDR content. With that, you get deeper black, more contrast and more details on your watch HDR content on this smartphone. Wow, this impressed me. And for the price experience, this phone goes around $300, which is equivalent to 233,900 naira. And for the previous Note 30 Pro last month, the Infinix Note 30 Pro comes with 15 watts wireless charging. Now we are having the Infinix Note 30 VIP, which comes with 50 watts wireless charging. I mean 50 watts wireless charging. Wow, Infinix did a great improvement there. Back to the Infinix Note 30 VIP. And for the unboxing experience, the Infinix Note 30 VIP comes with two colors, Black Magic and Glitter White, which is this one I'm holding. Wow, I like this color. It comes with glass screen protector, cleaning case, an expert pamphlet, the SIM rejector tool, a hard case to protect the rear of this smartphone, a 3.5mm earphones, the USB Type-C cable, and the 68 watts fast charger. Now moving to the build quality, this smartphone feels solid in my hand. And for the weight experience, it clocks 192 grams. That is not so heavy. It has a plastic ring and frame. The front glass isn't protected with cunning Gorilla Glass. And for the IP rating, it's an IP53 dust and water splash resistance, just like his siblings, the Note 30 Pro. So it can handle water splashing on it, but I don't advise you to do that. This is all the accessories that came with Infinix Note 30 VIP. And for the storage, the Infinix Note 30 VIP came with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. Speaking of photos, the Infinix Note 30 VIP has a stunning camera setup. It has added a 108MP megapixel main camera that can capture every detail of color of your scene. It also has 2MP sensor for depth and micro shot. On the front, it has a 32MP selfie camera that can take beautiful selfies and portraits. For the sound quality, this is the sound that came out when playing music on the Infinix Note 30 VIP. So tell me the sound that came out in the comment section below. The fingerprint scanner here is the optical one-plane scanner on the display. And as for the processor, the Infinix Note 30 VIP came with the MediaTek Dimensity 850 processor. For the battery, the Infinix Note 30 VIP also came with 5000 mAh battery capacity. Wow, that is great. And the phone also came with Android 13 on the box. For gaming, you can expect to get easily the best performance. As this price point from the Infinix Note 30 VIP, you can play PUBG at HDR ultra frame rate with no lags. You can also get extreme frame rate when you change the graphics setting to smooth. Call of Duty Mobile allows you play at very high graphics settings and max frame rate. No frame drops, no heating concern. So with the gameplay with Infinix Note 30 VIP, I don't see any lag. Everything runs pretty good smooth. So this is my review and unboxing of Infinix Note 30 VIP. So if you appreciate the effort we do in making this video, please kindly turn on the notification bell and subscribe to our channel so that you will be updated whenever I post a video like this. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys on next one.